What if your RV could power everything without ever plugging in again? In today's video, we reveal the top 5 best solar generator for RV that bring true freedom on the road. Welcome to the channel. All products are linked below. Tap in, power up, and travel smarter with solar confidence. The number 5 product on our list is Jackery 2000 Plus Solar Generator. Can one solar generator power your entire RV setup, including the AC, without breaking a sweat? The Jackery 2000 Plus Solar Generator can, and it's why it tops the list in the top 5 best solar generator for RV. With a massive 2042 watt capacity and 3000 watt output, it handles everything from refrigerators to electric cooktops with ease. Fast solar charging in just 2 hours gives RV travelers true freedom. No more waiting, no more gas fumes. The whisper quiet operation at just 30 decibels brings real peace of mind during quiet nights. Safety-wise, the LiFo4 battery and advanced temperature controls make it reliable even in tough conditions. Yes, it's an investment, but for long-haul RV users, the expandability up to 24 Qs makes it future-proof. While casual weekenders may not need this much power, serious nomads and off-grid warriors will find it a smart, lasting, and powerful choice. Number 4 is BLUETTI Elite 200 V2 Solar Generator. What if one power station could fuel your RV, run 9 devices, and still slip easily under your bed? The BLUETTI Elite 200 V2 Solar Generator brings that dream to life, making it a standout in the top 5 best solar generator for RV. With 2073 watt capacity and 2600 watt output, it powers essentials like air conditioners, microwaves, and even CPAP machines, all at once. The Turbo Boost tech and dual AC-DC charging get it to 80% in just 50 minutes, a relief for travelers who hate downtime. Built with auto-grade LFP batteries, it's tested to last over 6,000 cycles, giving you nearly 17 years of peace of mind. Its compact size, silent operation, and smart app control feel perfectly designed for RV life. While the app setup could be smoother for some, the performance and reliability outweigh that. For full-time RVers or serious boondockers, this unit is a powerhouse worth every dollar. The third one on our list is EF ECOFLOW Delta Pro Solar Generator. Can one solar generator truly replace your home backup system and still power your RV like a pro? The EF ECOFLOW Delta Pro Solar Generator says yes, and that's why it dominates the top 5 best solar generator for RV. With a massive 3600 watt output and expandable capacity up to 7.2 cubes, it brings real energy independence. Whether you're powering a full RV setup, an electric cooktop, or even recharging an EV, this generator delivers unmatched versatility. Fast charging in under 2 hours, 5 unique ways to recharge, and full app control make it a dream for off-grid explorers. Compared to others, its efficiency and scalability feel future-proof. Yes, it's a premium price, and it's heavy, but the performance justifies every pound. For RVers who demand serious power with zero fumes or noise, Delta Pro isn't just an option, it's the ultimate off-grid companion built for real freedom. Number 2 is EF ECOFLOW Delta Pro Ultra Solar Generator. What if your RV power setup could outperform a home backup system? The EF ECOFLOW Delta Pro Ultra Solar Generator redefines off-grid living and easily earns its spot in the top 5 best solar generator for RV. With a staggering 7200 watt output and 6144 watt base capacity, expandable up to 90 base caps, expandable up to 90 QH. This isn't just backup. It's full-blown power security. Running a 3-ton AC unit or full RV kitchen is effortless. It charges in just 2 hours and supports multiple input methods, making it reliable no matter where you park. Through the EcoFlow app, you can prioritize circuits and manage energy like a pro, giving true peace of mind. Yes, it's a heavy investment, and it's built for those who demand serious autonomy, not casual weekend campers. But for full-timers, off-grid dwellers, or mobile professionals, this powerhouse delivers tested confidence, unmatched scalability, and the kind of energy freedom that turns your RV into a moving fortress. Now, moving to the last one is EF EcoFlow Delta 2 Max Solar Generator. How fast is too fast when charging a solar generator? The EF EcoFlow Delta 2 Max challenges that limit, jumping from 0 to 80% in just 43 minutes. That's one reason it holds its place in the top 5 best solar generator for RV, built with a rock-solid 2-blast 4048 YF capacity and a long-lasting Li-Fe PO4 battery, rated for over 3,000 full cycles, this powerhouse is engineered for road warriors who don't compromise. It runs 99% of RV essentials and, with X Boost, can stretch up to 3,400 watt. Perfect for high-draw gear like air fryers or heaters. Pair it with the efficient 220-watt double-sided solar panel, and you've got a clean, durable, waterproof energy setup. While the app can be a bit technical for beginners, the overall reliability, portability, and ultra-fast charge time make it a must-have. If you're serious about off-grid RV travel, this one delivers peace of mind with every sunrise. The winner among them is the EF EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra Solar Generator for its massive capacity, expandable power, and unbeatable performance in RV living. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best solar generator for RV. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.